8A, bureaucracy in developing countries faces several challenges, and tackling of these will make them more responsive, adaptive, and aligned with development needs. Right? So bureaucracy and development, or bureaucracy and democracy, is the topic. Also, when you think of the criticism of Weberian model for developing countries, same thing you can write here. So what are the problems? Obviously, bureaucracy is traditional, rigid, static, functions on closed system circularity. It is a closed system model. It does not reform. It is not responsive to ecology. It does not take into consideration the various contextual elements, right? It is rigid, red tapeism, hierarchical, document-centric, data-centric system. You can say a lot of formalisms, right? A culture, a particular type of culture, bureaucratic inertia, and traditional procedures, and likewise. Society is changing, society is dynamic, things are open, globalization has taken place. These kind of systems are not responding to anything, right? So you can bring how bureaucracy and democracy, how bureaucracy and development seem to be incompatible. Bureaucracy knows more about regulatory function, law and order function, okay, established administrative functions, and likewise, it does not look into or venture out to be innovative or creative in nature. Fine. So you can highlight this, and then you can start by how it can be overcome. So we need reforms, we need technology, right? We need a cultural change, we need attitudinal change, we need ethics, we need citizens' participation, we need media, we need monitoring and feedback systems, we need RTI, we need more transparency, from secrecy to transparency, from monopoly to decentralization. We need NPM models, 4Ds, right? Democratization, decentralization, debureaucratization, and disintegration. So there are a lot of ways by which this can be done. You can write it theoretically also, but you have to give examples from the developing countries. Only then this answer will be good. So theoretically, a lot of content can be written, fine, but unless we bring the real perspective, right? RTI, in spite of RTI, you see the death of the RTI activist, the perception of the administration not to disclose the file notings, they did not want to disclose, secrecy still dominates, right? Exemptions under the RTI, whistleblowing is not promoted, not encouraged in India, still the law is not fully operational. Okay, corruption, Prevention of Corruption Act, right? Undue protection to civil servants. So there are various indicators, right, which somewhere help us understand that bureaucracy has been unduly protected by the political system. There is excessive politicization, and somewhere it is because they do not want to change, and they have this control over society, and that is what the power they are enjoying, right? So you have to change it.